Track 2.16, Unit 6, Speaking, Exercise 2.
Hi, Tina. How was your weekend?
Great, thanks. I visited my uncle and then I travelled to London.
Really? Were you on your own?
No, I was with Laura. She knows the city very well.
What was London like?
It was cool. The shops were amazing.
Only the shops?
No, there were a lot of things to do. My favourite place was Covent Garden.
What about the tourist sites?
I wanted to visit the Tate Modern Gallery, but there wasn't time. And how about you? Was your weekend good?
Yeah, it was brilliant. There was a party at John's house on Saturday evening.
Sounds good.
Track 2.17, Unit 6, Speaking, Exercise 3.
How was your weekend? Were you on your own? What was London like?
Was your weekend good?